Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw application from Accenture. Alright, let's begin. First, open up your web browser and go to official website of Accenture. Now, access the application and then sign into your account. Once signed in, so say for example, you have already applied here in Accenture for this position right here, and you want to withdraw it. What you can do is just hit the Apply Now button right here, and you should be redirected to Workday. Now, once you are redirected to Workday portal, what you're going to do is check here, you have applied for this position, and then click View My Application. Once you've done so, you should be redirected here, and now you have an act. If you can go ahead and basically click on these three dots right here and choose to withdraw my application. Click Withdraw once again in order to confirm this one. So once you've done so, if we are going to go back there, My Applications, you can see that now you have officially cancelled it. So that's basically how you can withdraw application from Accenture. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.